Yo, what's up, travel hackers? Are you tired of airlines treating your wallet like a layover, constantly hitting you with hidden fees and charges? Why are you still paying for this on flights when you could be getting it for free? Yeah, I'm talking about those essential travel perks that always seem to drain your bank account. Listen up, because in this video, I'm dropping some serious travel wisdom. We're about to unlock 10 flight perks you probably didn't even know were free. Perks that could save you upwards of $500 a year. That's right, $500. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Upgrade your hotel, splurge on an epic meal, or even extend your trip. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to fly like a pro without emptying your wallet. Let's be real, nobody enjoys playing human Tetris at the baggage carousel, praying their carefully packed suitcase didn't explode en route. Did you know that many airlines offer free checked bags if you play your cards right? No, I'm not talking about some complicated magic trick. I'm talking about credit card perks. Certain travel credit cards come with a free checked bag benefit, often for you and even a companion traveling on the same reservation. I personally use the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and let me tell you, that free checked bag has saved me a small fortune over the years. Many airlines also offer free checked bags for their frequent flyer program members, especially those with elite status. So sign up for those loyalty programs, rack up those miles, and watch those baggage fees vanish into thin air. Okay, let's talk in-flight entertainment, or should I say, the lack thereof. Gone are the days when a few fuzzy channels and a crackling headset were considered acceptable forms of entertainment at 30,000 feet. But here's the kicker: in-flight Wi-Fi is often outrageously expensive. It's like they're holding your internet hostage, forcing you to choose between staying connected and draining your bank account. But fear not, my fellow travel enthusiasts, because I'm about to reveal the secret to unlocking free Wi-Fi in the sky. First up, airline apps are your new best friend. Many airlines offer free messaging services through their apps, allowing you to stay connected with loved ones on the ground without spending a dime. And for those times when you need more than just basic messaging, some credit cards, like the Delta SkyMiles registered trademark Reserve American Express card, actually offer complimentary in-flight Wi-Fi as a perk. That's right, free unlimited browsing for the entire duration of your flight. Some airlines run limited-time offers for free Wi-Fi, especially on new routes or during holiday seasons. So ditch those overpriced Wi-Fi plans and embrace the power of free connectivity. Stay entertained, stay connected, and keep those travel memories flowing. Who hasn't dreamt of strolling past economy and settling into a first-class seat? The legroom, the champagne, the gourmet meals, it's VIP treatment. But first-class tickets are pricey for budget travelers. Or are they? Scoring a free upgrade is possible, and here's how. First, politeness goes a long way. At check-in, flash a smile and ask about upgrades. Be nice. No one upgrades a grumpy traveler. Use the magic phrase, "Are there any complimentary upgrades available?" It's simple and direct. The worst they can say is no, but you might get lucky. Another tip: dress to impress. Ditch the sweatpants and opt for a polished look. Join the airline's frequent flyer program and aim for elite status. So next time you fly, channel your inner VIP and ask for that upgrade. You might just find yourself sipping champagne in first class. Airports can be chaotic and stressful. The last thing you want is to be stuck in a cramped terminal. But there's a secret haven: airport lounges. Luxurious oases with comfy seating, food, and even spa treatments. Lounge access usually comes with a hefty price tag. Or does it? Many credit cards offer complimentary lounge access. For example, the Platinum card registered trademark from American Express. Talk about traveling in style. Some airlines offer lounge access even in economy. Ditch the crowded terminal and enjoy airport luxury. Relax, recharge, and enjoy the VIP treatment. Okay, let's be real. Airplane food has a bit of a bad reputation. And let's not even get started on those ridiculously overpriced snacks and drinks they try to peddle on board. But hold on a second, my friends, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to scoring free meals and drinks on your next flight. First things first, timing is everything. Did you know that some airlines actually offer complimentary meals on longer flights, even in economy class? That's right, a real edible meal, without having to fork over an exorbitant amount of cash. So, before you resign yourself to a fate of stale pretzels and watery coffee, check your airline's website or contact their customer service to see if your flight qualifies for a free meal. Many airlines also offer complimentary drinks, including water, juice, soda, and even alcoholic beverages on certain flights. And here's a little secret. Some airlines have a hidden menu of sorts, offering premium snacks and drinks that aren't advertised on the regular menu. So, the next time you're flying, ditch the overpriced snacks and drinks and embrace the power of free refreshments. Stay hydrated, stay satisfied, and keep your wallet happy. Alright, let's talk in-flight entertainment. Gone are the days when a few fuzzy channels and a crackling headset were considered acceptable forms of entertainment at 30,000 feet. We live in a digital age, people. We crave endless streaming, binge-worthy shows and the latest blockbuster movies. But here's the kicker: in-flight entertainment systems often leave much to be desired. First things first, come prepared. Before you even set foot on that plane, download your favorite movies, TV shows, podcasts, and audiobooks onto your personal devices. This way, you're guaranteed to have something entertaining to watch or listen to, regardless of the in-flight entertainment options. Many airlines now offer free streaming services through their onboard Wi-Fi networks. Just connect to the Wi-Fi, launch the airline's entertainment app, and voila! Hours of entertainment at your fingertips. So the next time you're flying, ditch the boredom and embrace the power of free entertainment. Get lost in a good book, binge watch your favorite shows, and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and entertained. Let's talk baggage fees. Those pesky charges can derail your travel budget. But fear not, I'm here to help you dodge them like a pro. Pack smart. Do you really need that extra pair of shoes? Probably not. The less you pack, the less likely you'll get hit with fees. Channel your inner minimalist and pack only the essentials. Check if you qualify for free baggage allowances. Combine belongings with a companion to save on fees. Many airlines waive fees for loyal customers, so don't be afraid to ask. Travel smart, pack light, and ask for what you need. Alright, let's be real. Nobody enjoys the boarding process. It's a chaotic free-for-all, with everyone jostling for position in the aisle, overhead bins overflowing with luggage, and that one person who always seems to be in your way. But what if I told you there's a way to skip the line, breeze past the crowds, and board the plane like a boss? I'm talking, of course, about priority boarding, that magical perk that allows you to board the plane before everyone else, securing your preferred overhead bin space and settling into your seat without having to navigate a human obstacle course. Many airlines offer free priority boarding to passengers who meet certain criteria. For example, families traveling with young children are often invited to board early, ensuring a smoother and less stressful experience for everyone involved. Some credit cards, especially those geared towards travel, offer complimentary priority boarding as a perk. So the next time you're flying, ditch the boarding chaos and embrace the power of priority boarding. Skip the line, secure your space, and start your journey off on the right foot. Okay, let's be real. Airplane snacks are a mixed bag, to say the least. Sure, those pretzels can be somewhat satisfying in a pinch, and who doesn't love a warm cookie every now and then? But let's be honest, most airplane snacks are overpriced, underwhelming, and leave you feeling unsatisfied. But what if I told you there's a way to upgrade your snack game without spending a dime? I'm talking, of course, about scoring those coveted premium snacks, the kind usually reserved for business or first-class passengers. If you're flying during a meal service, pay close attention to what the flight attendants are serving in the forward cabins. If something catches your eye, wait until the meal service is over, and then politely inquire if they have any extras. You'd be surprised how often they do. And here's a pro tip: be specific. Instead of just asking if they have any extra snacks, mention the specific item you're craving. Some airlines actually offer complimentary premium snacks to passengers celebrating special occasions, such as birthdays or anniversaries. So the next time you're flying, ditch the stale pretzels and embrace the power of the premium snack hack. Be observant, be polite, and be prepared to be pleasantly surprised. Alright, let's face it, travel insurance isn't exactly the most exciting topic. It's one of those things that we know we should probably have, but it's easy to put it off, right? But here's the thing. Travel insurance can be an absolute lifesaver, protecting you from unexpected events like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. And the best part? You can often get it for free. That's right, you don't have to shell out hundreds of dollars for a comprehensive travel insurance policy. Many credit cards, especially those geared towards travel, offer complimentary travel insurance as a perk. For example, the Chase Sapphire Reserve registered trademark, and the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. Both provide a range of travel insurance benefits, including trip cancellation interruption insurance, baggage delay loss insurance, and even emergency medical and dental coverage. Some airlines and travel booking platforms also offer travel insurance options either for free or at a discounted rate. So the next time you're planning a trip, don't leave your travel insurance to chance. Check your credit card benefits, explore options offered by your airline or travel provider, and travel with peace of mind, knowing that you're protected. There you have it, my friends. 10 flight perks you probably didn't know were free. From free checked bags and airport lounge access to complimentary meals and priority boarding, there are countless ways to save money and enhance your travel experience without breaking the bank. So, the next time you're planning a trip, remember these tips. Be a savvy traveler, and don't be afraid to ask for what you want. You never know what perks and privileges you might be entitled to. And hey, if you're looking for even more ways to travel the world on a budget, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be revealing how to get paid to travel the world. That's right, you heard me correctly. Get paid to travel. It's easier than you think, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and get ready for more epic travel tips and